Adobe Elements tutorials for beginners. Today we're going to be looking at Adobe Premiere Elements 10 and the new functions review part 2. So Facebook and YouTube publishing. This is a real improvement on this version of the software, and it's so simple to upload video clips to either Facebook or YouTube with this version of Premiere Elements 10. In the 9 version, if you wanted to publish a video by uploading it, you needed to save the project, launch your organizer, track down your video, not to mention uploading it. Now, thanks to Adobe, you only need to click on the Share tab, authorize Adobe Elements to interact with your Facebook account, or just log on to YouTube, select the format and start your upload. It's so much easier. So, coloring inside the lines. A new 3-way color corrector inside Premiere Elements 10 is based on exactly the same know-how as one found in Premiere Pro, and the inclusion in Premiere 10 is a huge deal. Using this tool, it is possible to add color correction to highlights, midtones and shadows separately. Without this kind of tool, attempting to make the sky bluer would make everything else in your video blue, for example. It's a little tricky to use, in part as it has more settings than the majority of tools inside Elements. And I also discovered that it really works best on clips which have distinct areas of highlights or shadows. A brand new auto tone and vibrance effect has taken things to the other extreme, as it's got virtually no settings unless you uncheck its auto tone box. But in certain clips I observed far better final results from this tool than the 3-way color corrector. Just like lots of Premiere Elements functions, you have to test several tools until you find the one which function best on any specific clip. Adobe Premiere Elements 10 can at long last output AVC HD files, either to a folder or even to a DVD. Rather than burning your high-definition video to pricey Blu-ray discs, you can burn them to an economical DVD, but still keep the HD frame size. A normal disc will not hold as much data as a Blu-ray DVD can, of course, which means you won't be able to create movies which are as long, but just how many feature-length movies do you produce? You can just click on a box to set Premiere Elements to fit your content for the available space on the disc, meaning it's going to decrease the bit rate and consequently the quality of your movie, but it is a useful setting to have. So, the inclusion of a 64-bit edition provides Adobe Premiere Elements 10 with some real efficiency space, particularly with HD video. Premiere Elements is an excellent editing system that addresses lots of terrain and suitable for different user levels and offers a wide selection of features. The organizer is tricky, but mainly when you're working with its auto analyzer function to manage still images. Premiere Elements is a secure, capable editor, and it is only the real consumer-priced video editor with workable keyframing tools, so it's a great choice. Anyway, to grab your free report on Beginner's Guide to Elements, make sure you click the link below the arrow, or visit www.learnelementsnow.com/blog/reports. Thanks very much.